get you out of my mind.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll show you how to achieve this really simple makeup look for fall. So it is a warm toned eye makeup look and it's really easy, good for every day. Typically for fall, I feel like you can get away with a little bit heavier makeup and you also don't have to worry about it, sliding around like in the summertime. So if you're interested in how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. So I'll be using my ILIA True Skin Serum Foundation and concentrating it on the center of my face.
It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life.
And then I'll be using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm in the shade Custard. And just dabbing that on the corner of my nose to cover any redness. And then I'll be using the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Contour Wand for a more natural contour. And then I'm just going to take my Real Techniques brush and blend it out. And then to set everything with powder, I'm taking the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder, and I'm in the shade 2 Medium. And just going in with a large powder brush, just to put that all over my face. And then going in with the NYX MICROBROW pencil to do my eyebrows. And using the spoolie to brush it out. So then now I'm going to do eyeshadow. So we're going for more of a warm tone look today, and then I'll be using the Natasha Denona Metropolis palette. So this has a wide variety of colors, but you'll see that there are a lot of really warm tones that are perfect for the fall. So I'm going in first with Rope, which is a creamy matte, and then putting this all over my lid. And then to add a little bit of definition, I'm going in with Prism, which is a cream to powder formula. I'm just concentrating this on the inner and outer corners. And then switching to a more precise shader brush, I'm using the Fenty eyeshadow brush, and then I'm going to go in and take Antique, which is also a cream to powder formula, and this is a darker brown shade, and concentrating this along the lash line. And then using the flat shader side of the Fenty brush, I'm just adding a little bit more, that darker antique brown shade, and sweeping that on the lower part of my lid. Still concentrating by the lash line, but just diffusing it out a little bit more. Then gonna bring that down along my lower lash line as well. And then just taking a domed crease brush to buff out any harsh lines at the top. And then I'm going in with Queen, which is a light metallic shade. And I'm just putting that on my fingers and dabbing that on the high point of my brow to highlight. So now I'm going in with Rust, which is this metallic copper shade. I'm placing this on my fingers as well and just dabbing that on the inner third, just to add a little pop. And now for blush, I'm using the Marc Jacobs Airbrush in Flesh and Fantasy. And then for bronzer, I'm going in with the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronzer in Tan-Tastic. And then being a little bit more precise with the bronzer here. So using a smaller, fluffy brush. Just going over where we put down that liquid contour. And going back to eyes, I'm going to line my eyes with the NYX Epic Ink Liner. And I'm just going in very close to the lash line. And then I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and then put on mascara. And then now tightlining my eyes, I'm actually gonna use the NARS liner. Now for lips, I actually have two different lip options. One is a lighter, more neutral nude lip, and then the other is a darker, more statement lip for fall. I'll show you the nude lip option first. So it's the Dose of Colors, my main liquid lipstick, and it's a very just brownie neutral. So this is the first option, and I actually put it over a little bit of the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, so there still is that shine and it's very comfortable, but it'll dry down to a more matte finish. But I really like this formula because it doesn't dry out your lips like some of the other ones. So this is the first option with the neutral nude, and then now I'll show you the darker bold lip option. So for the second lip option, it's actually two different lip products. One is the NUDESTIX Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Pencil in Retro. So it's a really nice darker shade. And then on top, I'll be going in with the BUXOM lipstick in Sinful Cinnamon. And then now on top of that, going in with the Sinful Cinnamon. So this is the second option, which is definitely more of a bold statement look. So you can actually transition this from day into nighttime. So going with that more neutral lip for the daytime, and then putting on a bold lip, and that's a great way to amp up your look for the evening time. So that is it, everyone. This is the finished makeup look. If you like this video, then please like, comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.